Hi, I'm Russ with Conditioned Air Solutions. We're at our customer's house today replacing this older unit with a new Daikin Fit. Several things going on with this unit. For one thing, this is the 3/8 liquid line that's run outside of the house. It's not secured or run properly. So this is one of the things we'll be fixing today. We'll take this back inside the wall and back through the crawl space over to this unit. The Daikin Fit unit is a much smaller footprint than this as well. So it takes up less space, but the biggest thing about it is it provides exceptional heating and cooling for the home. The Fit product is an inverter-driven variable speed compressor that provides higher SEER ratings, more energy efficiency, and is much quieter. One of the first things that we're going to do is pump this unit down to get all the Freon out of the line set. Once we do that, we'll disconnect electrical and disconnect the copper settings and remove this unit. We'll clean up this area for the new unit to be placed in, and when we set the new unit, we'll reattach copper lines and leave the power for last. We'll flush then evacuate the line set so that we can reuse that. In this particular case, we'll be running new line set as this one was running correctly to begin with. Install of a replacement unit for this will take about a day to complete. We start early in the morning and we work until we're done. We get everything connected and hooked up for you. Once it's set, a technician will come out in a few weeks and fine tune it to make sure everything's good, and you're good to go. So if you're ready to replace an old unit like this, visit us at conditionedairsolutions.com. We'll be glad to help you out.